Now here's the Form 990 from 2018, and instead of just calling them independent contractors, it actually says business transactions involving interested persons. In other words, these are big payments made to people who are actually part of the company. Oops, did I call it a company? Sorry, I was supposed to call it a non-profit organization. Look, there's Brian Johnson Ministries, got paid $176,000. Deer Creek Trust got $610,000. And you'll see Johnson Family Farm, they got paid again $375,000 for services provided. Looks like the Johnson Family Farm had another real good harvest.